So I told you to find the words related to this, right? Can you, did you find the meaning for the words first? Did you try at least, probably? Any one of you? Yes, good morning, good morning. Okay, you have finished. Good. All right. Keep your answers with you when we are discussing. Okay. This week you'll be getting your materials for all your 20 answers. All of your things will be posted in the classroom today, this week. Within this week you will be getting your answers for your GK. Since most of you, I did not get your book, I did not post it, but surely I'll be posting it in this week. Okay, so whoever having the books, you can find the answer materials and you can find your answers, and whoever don't have your books, you can use that as your material for studying. Okay, so you need not worry, within this week your GK portions, answer sheets, answers will be posted for all of your things, all from your India, the Bharat Ratna, till whatever we are completing today, you will be getting your things. Okay, so no, don't worry about it. All right. Okay, so now can you tell me, so during our last class, I think we were talking about the people in the periodic table. So it is totally related to chemistry, and we were seeing about the people who were in the periodic table. And now we'll be talking about the medicine. So here we'll be talking who does what. So in the world of science and medicine, there are many areas of speculations. So you're supposed to match the following with the thing, people who are going to match up with it. So if it is a pathologist, who exactly pathologist is? Ophthalmologist, who exactly ophthalmology people do? So those are the things which we are going to see. So please do turn to page number 18. Okay, page number 18. Okay, so is the study of the cases and the injury effects of diseases and injury. Okay. Okay, so first we'll, okay, pathology. So here they've given you some answers, I'm sorry, some words. You're supposed to find that here. Can you just tell me the answer for your first question? What is the answer for your first question? Pathology. So where you can find, I'll just mark with 1 2. You can tell me like that. Okay, if it is like marking with 1 2, so that it will be easy for you to identify it. It is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now you can tell me. If it is wrong also, no issues, just try to tell an answer, that's all. So first one is pathologist. Okay, so you can mark this as 0. The first thing you can mark it as 0. So this will be 0. Okay, so pathologist, whoever has, okay, please mark with it. So pathologist here, pathologist will be moving on with, deals with the study of diseases, its cause, mechanism, and effects of the organism. So it's fifth one. So here will be, the answer is here. So this is the answer for your pathologist. Please do mark. Whoever is having, okay, please do mark. Fifth one will be the answer. Okay, so pathologist, yes, fifth one will be the answer. Very good. Coming to the ophthalmologist. What is ophthalmologist? So Ilandevan, please switch off your video. Okay. Yes, very good. Ophthalmology is like treating with the disease. Okay, can you match it with it? Ophthalmology is treating with the eyes. Yes. Can you match them with it? Can you match your answer? No, it's not 10th one. No, it's not 10th one. It's ophthalmology is like studying about eyes and all those things. Okay, so that's the answer. Now match it here. Match with this. I'll mark this as 0.1. I didn't see this, so mark with this. Now mark your answer. No. Okay. Yes, very good. So this will be the answer for your ophthalmologist. Okay, so ophthalmologist is here. So first thing, pathologist. Okay, so pathologist here, it goes still down, deals with the study on mechanisms, and ophthalmologist is here. So it goes, so pathologist comes directly to the mechanism. Ophthalmologist is with here one, deals with the anatomy, physiology of the eye. Third one is dermatologist. Third one is dermatologist. Yes, wait. We'll just complete it, then you can, this one. Dermatologist. What is called as dermatologist? Who exactly is called as dermatologist? So the dermatologist is nothing but dealing with skins. Okay, so the people who are dealing with skin, okay, skin and the product will be coming under dermatologist. So can you match the following for your dermatologist? Yes. All right, very good. So here the study of skin is here. So it's dermatologist. So this will be the answer. Studying about skin. So the answers goes from this to here. Moving on to next one. So next one after dermatologist, you have nephrologist. So fourth one will be nephrologist. Nephrons, where exactly the nephrons are located? Yes, kidney disorders, very good. So kidney, nephrons will be like totally comes under the word kidney. Can you tell me which one you are supposed to match with which one? Yeah, where the matching is, very good. Fourth one, so study and the functioning of kidney. So that comes the nephrologist. Okay, so this comes the nephrologist, so you can mark it as 4. So here comes the nephrologist from this till this. Next one is cardiologist. Who the person with cardiologist is all about? Cardiovascular disease you've heard. No, it's not about lungs, it's about heart. Okay, so whoever told heart is very good. So it's 0.1. Yeah, very good. So the answer for your cardiologist will be here. Okay, so this will be the answer for your cardiologist. Cardio, the word cardio itself, it's totally related with the heart. Okay, it's a heart disease. Next comes the rheumatologist. Rheumatologist. What is rheumatism? You've heard about word rheumatism, right? So rheumatism. Rheumatic pain and all those things will be coming. So that's called as rheumatism. Internist, no. So rheumatic pain, rheumatsnale, it means like it totally deals with the joints. Okay. No, not rheumatologist is different. Yes, 10th one will be the answer. Okay, so if you have heard about the word rheumatism, it's totally deals with the joints and muscles. Okay, so that's the answer. So here the rheumatic means it comes to the person who can offer diagnosis and treatment of disorders of joints and pain. So that comes the rheumatism. Okay, so you can mark it out. Moving on to next one is histologist. Histologist. No, it's not about past events. Okay, what histologist, what exactly histologist is about is Yes, it actually, the structures of cells in your, you have, right, in your body, the cells, it is present, right? So what they do is they take a cell, section it with it in the slide, they make a slide presentation, and what else they'll do is observe it in the microscope. So that's what the cell is all about. Probably when people are getting this cancer kind of things, right, people who are having the cancers or else some kind of excessive bulge in their body with pimples or the things, right? So they used to take they take this totally, they'll be taking it and they'll be sending it to the histology department to see whether what kind of, why excess of tissues are grown and all those things will be identified. Okay, so that's called as histologist. Yes, so the answer is 7 is the right one. So histology is person studies the microscopic structure of cells, tissue under the electroscopic or light microscope. Okay, so that's the answer. Please mark it. So histology is the person that studies with microscopic structure of cells, tissues, and under the microscope. Next comes the gastroenterologist. Gastroenterologist. Gastro, the word gastro itself. Yes, okay, so digestive system. Gastrology is totally with the gastrointestinal tract, okay, the tract within the digestive system. So that comes under the gastrologist. So it goes here in the 0 area. Okay, so this will be the answer. So this is the gastroenterologist. Very good. And the next thing, yes, stomach and intestine is right. All right, next comes the pulmonologist. Pulmonologist. Pulmonary area. Okay, so pulmonary area. What will be the answer? Oh. No. Pulmonary, it means pulmonary, it's totally comes with the lung related. Totally with the lung related. Now you can tell me. Totally with the lung related. Very good. So pulmonary, it's here, comes in the, okay. So this is what the pulmonary is all about. And comes the radiologist. Then comes the radiologist. Can you tell the radiologist? Radiologist. Radiologist. Okay, so yes, answer is 6. Very good. So yes, okay. So 6 is the right answer. So what the person uses imaging to diagnose and treatment disease found within the body. So they'll be using image, okay, radio technology, or like radiocardiac technology or something like that. So they'll be using it for the treating with an image, okay, maybe an X-ray or something like that. They'll be able to treat the disease. So that's what the radiologist all about. Next comes the neurologist. Neurons, where it is located. Yes, so it's totally nervous related thing. Okay, so it's a nerve related thing, so it has to be go from nervous related. And lastly, pediatrician we already know deals with the care of infants and the adolescents. So it again goes to the this one. So it goes to the deals with the care of infants, children, and adolescents. Okay, so this will be your answers. Okay, so let me clear everything and write it in a proper manner. So you have to note it down. So whoever it is, you can able to note it down. So first thing what you're doing is it mark here in this side. Okay, in this side, right side, please mark it as number 1, number 2. Okay, so it's number 1, number 2. You'll be having 12 sets. So you are supposed to mark with all the 12 steps. So it's 4. Okay, so 5, 6, okay, so it will be, and I'll mark you the answers here. Please copy it down. If you're having your books, please do copy it down. Okay, so these are your answers. Please do mark. Once you have completed, please do let me know. Okay. So it's 5, 8, 2, 12, 11, 4, 1, 10, 7, 3, 9, and 6. So once you've completed, let me know. Okay, Sanjana has completed. Other than that, okay. Good. Yes, okay, Caleb. All right, good. So we have completed. We'll move on to the next one. I think can I just rub it? Can I just rub? Can I erase these things? Yes, okay. So we have a pick one. So it's called as what is deja vu? Deja vu, like many more of you would have heard the word deja vu, right? So it's a strange experience of being in a completely new situation and the environment, but get a strong feeling of having something experienced the same thing in the past or being able to sense what could happen next. So it's called means already seen. It's actually a French word which means already seen. Have you ever experienced these kinds of strange situations, like you would have been in one complete area that is a new area, but you would have seen it in your dreams or something like that? I have felt it. Someone, what about you? Nanban movie. Okay, I don't think it's Nanban. I think it's ATM also. You have, like, they used to recall some kinds of things which will be happen. Also, there is an English movie, you call it as Last Destruction or something like that. Whatever the happen events will be, she used to get all those things before itself, and she will be trying to prevent the death of her famous people. Okay, so I mean her friends and family. So it's actually in 3 parts or 4 parts, but many movies have come regarding this deja vu, and also we would have also been experienced with this deja vu, right? All right. Okay, now we'll move on to dinosaur world. So this will be your next topic. So dinosaur world, it's like dinosaurs which like millions of years ago. Okay, so they totally play a vital role in your evolution of the world. Okay, okay, no, okay, all right. So Earth has gone through many phases since its creation. First dominant species that have walked out of Earth is known as dinosaurs. 65 million years ago, dinosaurs became extinct, and there were different types of dinosaurs. Okay, the dinosaur, they have the skeleton all in some kinds of museum, famous museum and all. You can able to find the skeletons. Okay. Okay, I don't want you to switch on your videos. Please do off your videos, Janas and Harish. Yes, that's what. Yes. Okay, okay. I have seen that movie also. Nice. We'll start with the dinosaurs. Okay, so it's here in 65 million years ago you would have found out, so mainly how this dinosaurs became extinct. Okay, how it is like, there was a strong feeling like this is the earth, and what happens is another asteroid which is at the size of the earth, okay, as the same size of the earth, it hit the earth, and because of that strong collision came in between the asteroid from the space and the earth, and that's why they say that the dinosaurs became extinct because of the strong collision. Earth stumbled and all the famous things, okay, they died. Okay, so dinosaurs always comes under the reptiles, okay, reptile species, like similar to crocodiles, lizards. Okay, so that they everything, all the descendants of this dinosaurs only, they have a similar feeling. Okay, so they actually be in similar manner with all the other reptiles which we have in your which you are seeing now. So these are some kinds of dinosaurs. So dinosaurs we'll be talking about. First one is T-Rex. T-Rex was large and heavy. They could stretch longer than a bus. So it's like longer than the bus you could able to find it. So I think you would have seen the movie Ice Age, right? Have you seen the movies Ice Age? Ice Age, the English movie. I think it's part 3 or part 4. They would have told about the dinosaurs. You can able to find the dinosaurs in the, yeah, okay, yes. In that they would have told in a very comical way, like some squirrel comes and collusion would be done like that, but still some half of it was true, like dinosaurs would be extinct after that. Okay, so this one, first one is T-Rex. So they could stretch longer than a bus, and they have eyes that were angled forward so that the field of the overlapped and front. They gave the dinosaurs stereoscopic vision, where there was single perception of a different image from each eye. Okay, so if it is like when you see when you see a area full of mirrors, and when you go and stand in between them, what happens, you can see all of your body in different angles. Okay, so maybe in a dressing room, okay, in a dressing in some kind of mart you're going, and if you are selecting a dress, and if you could see 3 or 4 3 or 4 mirror will be in the either side of the dressing room, you can able to see yourself clearly from both in the front, back, and all those things. So similarly, this T-Rex has the stereoscopic visions, that is, it can able to see one particular image at different perceptions. Okay, single perception instead of a single thing. Okay, that single perception, it can able to see it in different angles. Okay, so that's what T-Rex speciality is all about. So T-Rex has this kind of speciality. Okay, okay. Moving on to the next one, Diplodocus. Docus. You call it as Diplodocus. So Diplodocus were a plant eaters. They have a long neck and long tail and small head, and giants, and were among the tallest animal. Even though they are very tall, what they eat only the plant. They are plant eaters. They are called as herbivores. Okay, so I can able to remember this thing has been portrayed in that particular movie, where the sloth will be like they used to glide in this particular area and go off in the Ice Age movie. So this thing, I think you can image it from that movie. Exactly the same will be the Diplodocus will be. Okay, so Diplodocus, where it's a plant eater, it's a herbivore, so they have a long neck. You can able to see the long neck will be there, and small head. So the head will be very small, and they among the tallest animals. So they are actually terrestrial animal which is very tallest. Okay, very good. Moving on to the next thing. So you have Stegosaurus. You call it as Stegosaurus. So this will be the next one. The Stegosaurus were herbivore. Again, here they are also herbivore. They had a small head but a large and a bony body. So the body will be like bony in nature. Main characteristic feature of these four-legged animal was the heavy spiked tail. You can see the tail, no? So you can see the tail, how it is, and which was used for protection. So mainly it's used for protection. So it's called a Stegosaurus. Stegosaurus. They were a herbivore. They had the smallest head. Okay, so they have very small head but bony body, and they have a one major speciality is here is spiked tail. Okay, so the tail was spiked, just like spikes you used to keep, boys used to keep in the head, like they have the spikes all over the body, in the tail especially. So why they are used is because of the protection. Since they are not carnivore, they are herbivore, they eat only plants. Because of that, they are having something portrayed very terrific, because the spikes, because of the spikes they are present. Okay, good. Moving on to next one is Chronosaurus. So Chronosaurus were marine reptiles. Marine reptiles. It's actually an aquatic. So they were short-necked and had huge head with strong jaws and a short pinched pointed tail. They lived in the oceans but breathed air. Okay, so they breathed the air. They are living in the oceans. Even though they live in the oceans, they breathe air. How the whale comes out and get the oxygen? No, sometimes they'll be coming outside. So likewise, this reptile also coming outside to get the air. Okay, they don't breathe underwater. So they were marine reptiles, short-necked, had a huge head with strong jaws and short pointed tail. They have a short pointed tail and they lived in the ocean. So they play a vital role in evolution. Okay, evolution of every individual. So probably, so that's what these thing also plays a vital role. And next one is Triceratops. Triceratops. So it's look like a rhinoceros. They exactly portray like rhinoceros. They are also four-legged and they have actually 3 horns on their face. They have these 3 horns in their face. Large bony plate projection from the back of the skull. They have the projection and the unique feature of the parrot-like beak on their face. They have a parrot-like beak on the face. Okay, so that Triceratops, because it's triceptor, receptor, it's why they are called as triceptors? Because of the horn they have, the 3 horns they have. That's what's called as tri. Okay, triceptor, but it's again it's a 4-legged legged dinosaurs. They with 3 horns and bony plate projection in the back of the skull. And the unique feature was the parrot-like beak on the face. The face they have parrot-like beak. So these are some kinds of dinosaurs which evolved during at the time of their period. Okay, is it clear? Any doubts? Okay. Fine. So today we were talking about, first thing we were talking about all the medical sciences where the pathologist or what are the works they do and all those things which we saw. And the next one we were talking about the dinosaurs world, what exactly in what are the dinosaurs which was present in their period, okay, in their era, and when was it extinguished, like around 65 million years they were living, and how, what are the things they usually, what they eat, how they exactly look like. So these were things which we were discussing in today's class. So you don't need to worry. So those who don't have your books, all your materials still up to 19. Okay, it's like 19 pages have been taught, so everything will be posted and you can mark your answers, whoever didn't mark your answers, and whoever don't have your book, you can have that as your guide to learn for your exams. Okay, yes, today's class was interesting. Okay, fine, thank you. Okay, any doubts so far, or else we'll wind up the class? Okay. No, they don't breathe in water. It's like similar to the whale actually comes outside, get whatever the air it needed, comes down. Okay, after when you're coming, okay, when it is coming outside, what happens again? That whale, from that whale you have this the water, it's like existed out, right? So similar way this thing is also coming, I guess.